Hi everyone, this is Andy Miranda. Let's read Pickleicious, a dilly of a book by Andy Myer. "It isn't good to eat so many pickles," said Alec's mom. "You'll grow up to be a small green man who smells like vinegar." "I'll smell Pickleicious," replied Alec. "Stop eating so many pickles," remarked Alec's dad. "You'll turn into a pickle someday." "They'll call me Pickleicious," laughed Alec. And not one of Alec's friends at school understood his fondness for pickles. "You can't play sports with them. Pickles won't fetch sticks. They make terrible kites. You can't play music on them. They won't read you a bedtime story." "I don't care. I still think they're Pickleicious," replied Alec. But he did care. "Why doesn't anyone else like pickles as much as I do?" sighed Alec. One day, Alec saw a truck filled with cucumbers, waiting for a light to turn green. "That's the place for me," thought Alec. He climbed on the truck. Kids never climb on a cucumber truck without calling home first. Soon, Alec saw signs for the Nichols Pickle Company. The driver honked. The gates opened. They rode into the factory. Everything smelled of vinegar and garlic. Pickleicious! Suddenly, Alec felt the truck shake. He was being lifted into the air. "Oh my!" He slid onto a belt with all the cucumbers. Alec and the cucumbers had a shower. They were sorted by size. And they were about to drop into a very large pot of dill pickles. Alec felt someone grab his shirt. He swung high in the air. "Well, hello," said a woman. "I'm Inspector 105. You don't look like a very promising pickle." "I'm Alec Smart," said Alec. "And why were you in a load of cucumbers?" asked Inspector 105. "I think pickles are Pickleicious," explained Alec, though no one else understands why. After some thought, she replied, "Come with me." Alec and Inspector 105 walked through the factory. They finally came to a stop at a green door. "This is the president of Nichols Pickles," she said. She knocked. "Come in," grumbled a voice. "Mr. Nichols, this is Alec Smart. Someone you should meet," said Inspector 105. "Why are you here, Alec Smart?" asked Mr. Nichols. "I love pickles so much, but it can be lonely," explained Alec. "And why do you love them so much?" "I love the way the sour ones make your mouth go like this. I love all the spicy little balls in the jar. I love the way the last pickle floats in the juice and you have to spear it like a fisherman. I love that if you put your hands over your ears when you chew pickles, it sounds like thunder. Boom, crunch. But mostly, I love them because they are Pickleicious." Then all at once he yelled, "That's the word I've been looking for! Yippee!" Tomorrow we have a float in the first annual Pickle Day Parade, and we still don't have the right slogan for our banner. Thank you, Mr. Alec Smart. The next day, Alec marched at the front of the parade with the Nichols Pickle Company. His parents were very proud. His friends were very surprised. And the next day, Alec's end of the lunch table was very crowded with friends who smelled of vinegar and garlic.
They're PICKLICIOUS!
If you enjoyed this reading of Pickleicious, take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see our website at www.anmiranda.com. Until next time, pickle reading!